The main thing about TubeBuddy is they pretty much lessen your work on finding good tags or whether or not the tag is competitive. It can be overwhelming at first. We managed to figure out in about 30 minutes. The first step after you install your TubeBuddy, you might want to head over to the Keyword Explorer page. This is the goldmine where many do not know how does TubeBuddy works. All you gotta do is find a one-word tag. Once you have found your one-word tag, click the Video Topics tab. Here, you can find a list of tags that are useful for your next video title. Once you have found the title that you like, click it and see the score. If the overall score is above 60, usually you can use it. But do remember, higher scores don't mean you can rank easily. You have to look at the analysis section. Basic rule to remember is that competition and optimization strength have to be in green zone if you have a new channel. Another important thing is the weigh and unweighed score. Weighed score is based on your channel average views, while unweighed score is based on 0 views. After you did all that, you are now finally able to use the keyword onto your video title. Remember to include your keywords on description as well. If you had done this correctly, you should be able to receive organic views and subscribers. If you enjoy our quick review, please support us by subscribing and like this video. Until then, see you next time.